for today's video, guys. It's me. Let's go. For answer for aka 456742. So guys, I'm coughing right now. So guys, I will get a bit at guys, this is my moon mango. My moon mango. So really tiny. The bone blossom here is very tiny. Hi guys, today guys there's three. What is this thing called again? So guys, I found it. So guys, is this a glitch, guys? Look at that. I couldn't even cut it. What? What can I even connect there? What the? Hello? It's February 20th. It's 1 minute more, guys. I will have to wait. And let's if oh, what's this one? So there's no mutation. This Piggy would have to try this. Dude, hard to trade reclaimer. Wait, what? Just what? Oh, bro. What is it? Oh, yeah, bone blossom. I'm gonna cook only bone blossom. Except for the big one. Wait. Wait. Where's the bone? So guys, remember, I only cook bone blossom. So guys, look at this. I will cook this, okay? I will cook it. So, 1, 2, 3, go. Sorry. So I'm gonna wait for a while. And let's go. So guys, it's been 6 minutes now, guys. It's not 6 minutes. Oh no, 6 minutes. Oh, come on. Come on, you're gonna go past that. If you have no Sigma. I'm a Sigma, so a little bit more, about 10 minutes. So I gotta go. Bye. Oh no, I'm not gonna go yet. I'm not gonna go yet. Shout out to Window. He's my favorite YouTuber. And 14 Goobers and Robos. That is I forgot. Anu and Uzu. God, the name. Is it Max or the guy that has like? Is it Max? I forgot, bro. Is it Max, bro? Like the guy that. And even John, oh wait, does Gender have YouTube? Does Gender have YouTube, bro? So that's all, guys. I'm gonna have to shout out more because I forgot them. Okay, so go, bye. I'm gonna wait now 8 minutes. So guys, it's only 1 minute left until it is cooking. Like, bro, crispy, bro. What happened to you? You must be eating so much. Wait, he's a pig, right? If he eat bacon, is he a carnivore pig? Like what? Like you can cook like almost everything, right? I am moving. Yo, I am moving. What? I'm moving? Yo, 3, 2, 1, ready. Get together. Legendary bonus. Bro, can this air thing stop pushing me? Let's go. Food great. So that's all, guys. Bye. See you later. Peace.